Hello friends, welcome to Market Analyzers.
Today Nifty fell by 140 points and closed at 19,670, whereas Bank Nifty fell by 520 points and closed at 43,888. From important resistance level today, Nifty fell by 140 points. I told only daily candle closing above 19,820, we can confidently turn bullish on Nifty. I was personally expecting Nifty to move upside, but it moved in completely opposite direction to my view. During the fall, the support was taken at 19,680 mark. I even told importance of that level in previous videos. Really, there is no new negative data point which might have bought fall today. All these negative data points were also present yesterday, and yesterday markets rallied upside. But if you want to talk about any new negative data point in particular, means there is one update, which is crude oil price rally today during our market hours. Crude oil price increased by 2.5%. It is due to rising uncertainty between Israel and Hamas. There is an update that missile strike on a Gaza hospital which killed hundreds of Palestinians. The Palestinian officials are saying the rocket was launched by Israel, whereas Israel are saying Palestinian militants have tried to launch a rocket which misfired and hit their own territory. Both are blaming on each other. This is only new negative development which happened today. If we talk about FI's data, their future index short positions are getting reduced slightly. It was 81,000 short contracts on Friday 13th October. Now by 17th October yesterday, the short contracts are at 72,000. Still they are carrying huge quantity of short positions. We have to see the trend today, whether they are increasing or decreasing their contracts today. I could not find any other reliable data points to add. Now let's talk about option chain range. 19,200 to 19,900 is a range. Markets yesterday came very close to 19,900, but today's fall has opened a bit of space towards upside. Now let's talk about important stocks news updates. First, Bajaj Finance results. You can look at the results on screen. First, their AUM asset under management grew by 33% in year-on-year comparison. In previous year same quarter, it was at 2,18,000 crores. Now their AUM has increased to 2.9 lakh crores. Next, their total income also grew by 34% to 13,382 crores. The net profit also increased by 28% to 3,551 crores. The return on equity ROE is at 24.1% and the net non-performing assets is at 0.31%. Their asset quality has also improved in this quarter. If you look at all these metrics, there is good growth in every segment. Its share price was trading in negative today because of margin contraction and increase in cost of funds. In this quarter, the net interest margin fell by 14 basis points in a quarter-on-quarter comparison, and the management in their con call has updated an additional 25 to 30 basis points margin compression will take place in next half year of this FY24. The reasons for margin contraction in this quarter and even during upcoming times is due to rising cost of funds. We all know RBI has increased benchmark interest rates to 6.5%. They are at highest level since 2019, and even global central banks are raising interest rates. So due to rise in cost of borrowings, their margin will fall, updated Bajaj Finance management. Except this margin contraction, the results are in line with expectations. The central government has announced a cut on the windfall tax on petroleum, crude, aviation turbine fuel and diesel. Windfall tax means government levies a higher tax on specific industries when they experience unexpected profits, like due to crude oil price increases in international market, or domestic crude oil production companies will earn more revenue. So government through windfall tax will try to collect some profits they receive due to external event. On crude petroleum, the tax earlier was 12,100 per ton is now reduced to 9,050 per ton. Windfall tax on diesel reduced to 4 rupees per liter from 5 rupees. On aviation turbine fuel, it is used as fuel for aeroplanes, is reduced to 1 rupee per liter from 2.5 rupees earlier. Now let's talk about HUDCO, Housing and Urban Development Corporation. In this company, Government of India is holding 81.8% stake, but as per SEBI regulations, the minimum public shareholding in a particular publicly traded company should not be above 75%. So now government will sell 7% stake in the company through OFS route. OFS means selling the stake to public after getting listed, means it is known as OFS, offer for sale. If you first selling stake to public, means it is known as IPO, initial public offering. If you are doing the same thing for second time, means it is known as OFS in a simple way. HUDCO yesterday closing price was 90 rupees. Government has set the floor price for HUDCO OFS at 79 rupees per share. It is 12% discount to yesterday's closing price. This is the reasons for today's 11% stock fall. The stock price was coming to government OFS price today. Now let's talk about IDFC First Bank. On October 17th, Competition Commission of India CCI has given approval to merger between IDFC Limited and IDFC First Bank. The decision for the merger was approved by the board on July 3rd. They still need to get approvals from stock exchanges, SEBI, NCLT and other regulatory authorities. Now let's let's talk about Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. It has become first Indian company to launch triple drug combinations for type 2 diabetics in India. This drug needs to be taken once daily to improve glycemic control in type 2 diabetic patients. The new product name is Zeta DM. The price per tablet is at 14 rupees. According to estimates, oral antibiotics drugs market is estimated to be around 12,522 crores in India. Now let's talk about Megazon Dock Shipbuilders. They have won orders worth 310 crores from Ministry of Defense for the construction of a training ship for Indian Coast Guard. This training ship will provide basic sea training close to 70 Coast Guard officers and with integrated helicopter capabilities. So friends, this is today's news video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any feedbacks, please do provide in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel if you like the content.